The WG91153004 engine V-belt is engineered specifically for heavy-duty trucks and industrial vehicles, delivering consistent power transmission between engine components. It adheres to strict OEM specifications, ensuring perfect compatibility with the target engine model and eliminating fitment issues. Constructed with high-tensile polyester cords and oil-resistant rubber compounds, this V-belt resists wear, heat, and chemical damage, even under extreme operating conditions like long-haul transportation or heavy-load hauling. Its robust design minimizes stretch and slippage, extending service life and reducing maintenance downtime for fleet operators. Whether for replacement or preventive maintenance, the WG91153004 V-belt guarantees reliable performance to keep heavy trucks running efficiently.